Profits left and right, candlesticks, the dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that weight and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. My soul, living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day, I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day, alright. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day, I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling.
All right, I just noticed I was muted during everything, so that sucks. Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome, welcome. We had a little technical difficulty with the sound. I can go over again real quick right now. Okay, you can see here we have the TWA market structure. We're right by support. We're heading down towards it. If this holds, I would look for a long to go in this direction, going right towards my short on stall level, which is the red line. And if we look here, as far as, yikes, we are diving. And we are open. Let's see if price can stick around here and then fire its way up. Yeah, sorry about the sound, guys. Sorry about the sound. But now it should be good. We should be on. Just let me know in the chat if you can hear me now. I think I fixed the issue. While we're looking at this at open, this is a good opportunity to look at the pinpoint trigger system. I changed the colors. Let me just go over it real quick. So when you see green go to purple, that's a good opportunity to enter a short. If you see red to blue, that could be a good opportunity to go for a long. All depends on context. Good. All right. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that sucks. That was a lot of good information I was saying before. I think when there's a break, I'll just go back to it later. It's all right. It happens. We're human. So let's see what New York does today. Let's see if we can get some good price action. Catch some. Oh, there's a good opportunity for a long right there. See how it went from yellow to blue? That's nice. Come on, man. DC, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me?
Yep, I can hear you just fine.
Okay, good.
I'm in a long.
I know you are. I see it. Like, it's a beautiful long. There you go.
That's my first trim right here.
Congrats. Oh no, what's wrong?
I just woke up too, you guys. I'm sorry for being late. I just woke up.
You just missed the little technical difficulty going on, but that's okay. My bad. All my bad. All right, I'm in long with you. This is perfect context trade. Super cheap. Trigger. In. That's good. Let me get to this one because I'm going to pass this today. This one. This one. What is that?
My stops are at I have 5 at 840. When I have 5 at 813.
Down to 1 minute.
Yeah, really, please. This is crazy right here. Look at this.
What's going on here right now? Let's go here.
Yeah, here comes VWAP. Here comes VWAP.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Feeling laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now. I know I'm moving fast. I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now. I know I'm moving fast. I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, heading the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'm
I want VWAP. That's what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want.
living my life in cruise control.
Let's go here.
I know I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll.
Let's go here. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay.
What happened?
Okay.
This could be the top of it right here.
Where are we on this? This will be interesting.
All right. We could be coming down here, you guys.
Okay. Okay, my friends. Okay. DC's very quiet now.
I am.
No, that was a beautiful long that I was able to catch it open.
I'm actually gonna drop this down. Tick. I'm out of here. What's this look like?
VWAP is coming.
Fake out. Okay, so we had a fake out here. Yeah, I called this too, man. Too bad my mic wasn't working. Sorry, I caught a little bit of it.
Hey, DC, your mic is extremely sensitive. Like, I can hear your nostrils waving right now.
It's the new AI mics.
It wants VWAP. It wants VWAP. I don't know if it wants to like spike to it and come back down, but I think it wants VWAP. But I do have a trim of VWAP though. Right at, like I moved it right to 900. Like, that would have been 100 I mean, so that would be 100 points for me.
There you go. All right.
All right.
ATR 16.
If for some odd reason we push back down below 813, I mean, you could look for a short. I wouldn't, but you could. You could. And you could take a trim at 760, 765 area, and then 720. If we get that low down there, well, we bounce perfectly off a weekly level right here at 760 at 766. Man.
Yeah, Cloud's crazy. Cloud's about to mute himself. Yeah, let me help you out.
So I took a trim at the 900. I'm gonna be pissed if this plays out, if the shorts plays out exactly how I said it. Just I will be upset if the shorts play out exactly how I said it will play out. I'm still in this long. I have 5 micros left from the original trade. I will be looking to add or even take another trade on a different account if we do get break above VWAP. If we have to break above it and retest VWAP and stay above it for me to add another position. I can't just add it just off a spike above VWAP. Because above VWAP, that would be the top of the cheap box. And I kind of want to see price hold above the top of the cheap box. I'm on the auto setting. Talking about the top of the cheap box. Well, DC, either your nose is stuffy or your mic is extremely sensitive.
Yeah, I think no. It's the
Oh,
setup,
okay.
the way it's set up.
Let's see if we can get this push above. Let's see. It should be some hesitation right here at the 920 areas. I'm expecting a quick spike to maybe 920. Let's just see. But I'm expecting a little bit more. I was expecting more of an aggressive move to 920.
It also depends how high the DJ emoji set my mic volume on the stream. Also,
I got you, guys. Relax. Jeez.
All right, so look at that. So let's look at VWAP. Still, I'm still watching VWAP. We do have a red prove it that did print off that rejection on VWAP. Let's see if it holds though. Again, I'm looking at that 813 level as my last line of defense.
So I just want to point out while we're waiting, you see how for the trigger, it went green, purple. If you want to enter short, you could have. You see how it went right to yellow? You're out. That's how this indicator saves you money. You can get your TP1. If you get your TP1 and you want to stay in, that's fine. If not, you can get out. Protect your capital.
I would like a more aggressive push to 920. Give me like, please, Nasdaq. Tell me that you trust and believe in me. Tell me that you love me. 920. More aggressive push.
Let's see.
Okay, and that's another trim for me right here. I just took a few micros off the table. I'm in runners. I'm officially looking at another position now on another account. I will let these last few micros try to do as much damage as possible. All right. We got our 100+ point trader open. I'm happy. See, man, we don't need DC for 100 points. I can give you 100 points, you guys.
Okay, so can I can get off?
No, relax, man. Relax.
I'm out of the woods.
No, man. Relax, man.
That was the pressure giving you guys every day 100 points here and there.
Oh my gosh.
Is that what he said?
Here we
Hold
go.
Hold on, did I hear him
everybody.
correctly?
Here we go. It
I think
started.
each of us had a nice streak of 100 points. I think. Well, this is.
It's officially started, ladies and gentlemen. The Cloud and DC show.
Mo is just the moderator here.
Yep. Just wait. Damn, man. I didn't have everything set up to take the long with you from the beginning, Cloud. Ugh. So upset at myself.
I mean, had I woken up 10 minutes earlier and actually was able to zoom out of my chart, like I would have noticed that this was a double bottom right here at 766 weekly level. I would have noticed the double bottom.
And
I would
if you use the market structure on the 15-minute,
yeah,
you see this green the support box right here.
Yeah.
It literally that's that same. It's at the same area where you just said your level is. So that would have been more confluence of like where.
Yeah. Then I probably would have gotten 150 points.
Yeah.
But hey, 100 points. I'm not complaining at open.
No, not at all.
No, we don't do that.
Why is it different? Oh, time frame. Okay, that makes sense. Let's look at the. Let's see directionally. Okay, the red has turned off. Turned off. Good. That's off. That's good. Okay.
We're right here at a nice little level right here, right above VWAP. But I kind of want to see if we can hold above VWAP. The lowest I'm willing to go is like maybe in the 880, maybe 870 for a dip below. But then below 870, I would have to wait until we get down to 840. Below 840, I would have to wait for maybe between 840 and 830. I might be looking for longs. And then anything below 830, I have to wait until 813.
Still 1 minute. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this one off.
Let's watch what happens if VWAP right here. No new entry for me just yet.
So I had some members ask me yesterday, what is this line that I have here? This is an evidence line. The yellow and blue is for this time frame, the 15-second. This is for entry. Once I'm in, I turn on my 1 minute for my runners. That's the line you see, like with price here. And let's say you've already passed your TPs, you're points ahead and you want to hold it for as long as possible, I just leave that one on. And when that one starts to change, that's when I start either moving my stops accordingly or stuff like that. My game plan's on point, man. You know, sometimes I'm seriously starting to think I should just play my game plan first for the first trade and then update my analysis charts after.
I kind of agree. I mean, that's kind of what I mean.
I'm trying to find a rhythm because I wasn't a real big analysis chart person until recently. So I'm trying to, like when you play a sport or something, you're trying to find that rhythm of, hey, how can I be prepared?
Yeah, for me, the analysis chart comes in play once I get 50 points or more. Then that's what I focus more on my analysis chart because that's how I'm able to get my 100-point moves. Because my analysis chart has very little indicators.
Okay.
And it shows a bigger time frame as well too. Because on my analysis chart, I see about 50 more points that that we could potentially go. It's a previous daily close right here at 9:50. We also have the 4-hour close. We also have a daily fib level at 9:60. But what I really, really, really want is that 20,035 up here. That's what I really want. If I get that, I'm gonna be happy. New 4 will come up in 7 minutes, and we do have news as well too. Oh, we had news at 8:30. I slept right through it. We have existing home sales at 10 o'clock. I'm tired, man. If I'm in the pullback is at the top of this range, but that 15-minute does look like it has a little bit of room up. I wouldn't doubt if we have a quick little spike up and an aggressive push down before we have our leg up again.
Check the chat. Hold on, guys. I'm coming. Got a what? An SL from a short. Jason, what do you mean by that? Like, got an SL from a short, like a stop loss or a stopped out, or
Yeah, got stop loss from short.
yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, just remember too, context-wise, we're still cheap, right? So if you're trying to short from here, just keep that in mind. You know, here I put it on the bigger screen so you guys can see it. Like, you know, this is still considered cheap price, right? You can see the trigger point is giving you ideas, but right now, short term, price action is still on a retracement. So just bear that in mind. Maybe in the next 2 minutes, we can see if price wants to continue or start turning down. See, just click green again. And then if you look at the money zone, it's underneath price. But where are we on the structure wise? Where are we in this? Okay. And on the directional, gotta approve it there. Okay. Back on this one for now. Any trades for this session, DC?
For me,
Yes.
just a small long. So Cloud can rest
Easy. Now that he knows
rest
you're going
easy
to
that I'm not against him yet.
No, you can be against me so I can take your money. Please be against me. I mean, we do
Whoa.
have data in about 30 seconds though.
This is the battle
Are you
of taking the
calling
stop
me
losses.
liquidity? Are you calling me liquidity?
Oh my. It's getting spicy today, guys. Spicy. Looks like you got two lead traders going after each other's stops.
No, cause that's what I said, we're in the same direction, so.
Now, I'm going to give it like a half hour.
There's no stop wars. Not Star Wars, stop wars going on here.
Okay, new 4 hours out.
Hey, don't forget to hit that like button. We got some people watching. Let's match it with the number of likes. Press that like button for us. That'll be awesome. Thank you so much.
Oh wow.
Nice little pump. Nice little pump.
Okay, to the 20,035 is where I want to be. Like I previously stated. At that point, I'm only gonna be one micro. Watch out for 20,000 on Nasdaq though.
Oh, you got 100 yet?
No. I'm not. I had a TP at like 50, so.
Mo didn't want to take my trade fully with me because he didn't trust me all the way. That's what it sounds like.
No. Easy there,
But-
No,
killer.
it was the mini trade, so that one is
Yeah.
capped.
That
Well, I'm
has a
almost at
cap on
200
it.
points in my trade. I'm almost at 200 points on the runners.
Well, I got my 100. This 20,000 has a lot of stuff going for it.
Here come 35 for me. Let me only be in one micro on Nasdaq. Come on now, Nasdaq.
I got there pretty quick. I flipped. 1, 2, 3.
I took out most of my position at this 2010 level.
One, two, three.
But that was a good trade. Let's see. Looking for another entry, but gonna have to wait a little bit. Come back to the 900 area, maybe, if not lower. 830s. So I can show Cloud how it's done.
Raise your hand if you were able to catch 100-point short and 100-point long between last night and this morning. Me. I think I'm the only one who's raising his hand right now. Hey DC, whenever you want to come to the school, but whenever you want to come to Cloud's Trading School, just let me know, man. Cloud's University. Enrollment coming soon.
Do I at least get a discount for all the stuff I taught you, or that doesn't
Nah,
matter?
nah. I don't know about
No?
that. I
No?
don't know
Okay.
about that.
Okay. Okay. Well, I mean, guys, I mean, Cloud is like a JP Morgan man now. Who cares about discount? No discount.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. You know, please speak it into existence. Not yet, though. This 35 level, I keep calling out because this is it's one of my golden levels, and it's also where I took my short. This is where I also took my short before I went to the gym this morning. And so, like, if you look at London around like 5:30, this is literally right where I took my short. And just so happened, this is pretty much the same long that I took off that same level. That's why I said it's like, had I woken up, from my nap at a better time, I would have noticed this double bottom right here in London, and I probably would have gotten way more than 200 points on this trade. I think we have more news. Natural gas, that's what it is. I mean, I might follow the trend of this week. I might just be one and done. That was a beautiful trade. I copy traded 2 accounts. I have 2 more accounts set up to copy trade again on Top Step. I don't know if I want to take it though. I don't know. It's. I mean, for it to be a proper, bull flag, we need it to like kind of creep down a little bit more. But I mean, it's it is kind of flagging right here. So let's see what happens at the 20,000 level.
If 990 gets broken, then the flag is invalidated.
No, no.
Okay.
I feel like of a close, potentially a close below the expensive box on the small setting could be a break. But I mean, but I feel like longs are still in play until the previous daily close down here at 951. Right now, no new positions for me personally. I'm getting to a point where it's like, do I stay at the charge for another 30 minutes to catch another trade, or do I just leave the house and be happy with what I've made so I don't potentially lose money? Because the market this week has been good to me. Last couple weeks, uh, yeah, it could have been better to me.
Yeah, last week I think it was more difficult. This week it was pretty straightforward. Monday was iffy.
Let's look at what the other boys are doing. Let's look at what YM is doing. Okay, let's look at ES. Okay. Yeah, we should be able to come down here soon. I don't know if it's going to be a big drop, but we're right above the previous daily close on everything. ES, YM, NASDAQ. I mean, we're still bullish if you ask me. One micro left here.
Nice.
It's alright. Everybody has those days. Everybody has those
What
days.
happened?
Jason said he's having a bad day, so that's when you just turn off
Yeah.
the charts.
And if it's not working, usually, and market is like this, usually it's because you got the direction wrong.
I just locked myself out of that one account that I had the one micro left. I may regret it, but I just want to go ahead and just lock myself out of that account, of those two accounts. I've also locked myself out of one of my accounts that I haven't traded yet. So the only two accounts I have left are the ones that I have geared up to take another trade on. But I'm not going to be forcing it, honestly. I think we caught the initial move. But we don't have any more news today or tomorrow, no significant earnings. I think we have Nike this afternoon, but nothing really for the Nasdaq.
It's been a good week. Let's finish
Oh, we have
with a good week.
Micron. I'm live. We have Micron. We have Micron. We're getting into the expensive box.
Oh boy. All right, let's see. What are you looking at? Let's look at the market structure. Okay, and this is where we've been before. This is the one I'm really looking at up here.
Mm.
There's nothing to do.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, if that's another 100 points, then I must be doing something right. I will trail it at 50 because of where we are and market structure. I think you have a box, a red box, maybe
Yeah.
two stacked above.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's
I'm on 300 points. I'm
that.
calling it. Man.
Okay. So once Cloud gets off, I just need to get 100 more so I can catch him up. Okay. Have a good one, Cloud.
Oh no. 300 points on this song, but if I combine last night, I'm up 150 something points. I mean
Okay.
400. I'm sorry,
Fine.
450 points because I caught
Fine.
150 right before I went to the gym.
Okay, I'll see your 450 and raise
Raise me 500, man.
it. Well, I mean, until next week or what?
No, today, this session.
Yeah, who can stay up this late? And I don't know if the market has another 500 points in it.
Yeah, I don't know either. I mean, look,
You forcing
like
me
I'm
to
watching
overtrade?
this 35 right here. 35 level again got tested. Let's see if it holds. I mean, that was a perfect entry if you would have followed that 35 level that I called out. If you maybe called it out about 10 o'clock or 9:45, and that's what scalp off that level. But we do have great news since it is March. Today is the first official day of March Madness. Let me see who plays today. Who we taking over under on today? Let's see. I have Auburn. I have Louisville. Maybe Creighton might win that game because they got a big man that's pretty good. I got Michigan, Texas A&M. I have Ole Miss, Iowa State, Marquette, and then I have Michigan State. Yeah, I have all the favorites winning today.
I took a short here.
At 30, what, at 60?
Yeah,
40.
40.
See, I know my man.
Mm.
I'm looking to hold this until the 9:30s.
Do you want 100 points?
Of course. That's. I wouldn't be in runners if I didn't want 100 points. Don't know if I'm gonna get it though. Nope. Alright, I'm good for today. I'm gonna take my green day and go home. X this out. That out.
Ah, I moved so too fast. Come on.
I'm taking this green day home.
Want another payout day today, Mo?
No, not today. Not today. Today was just a nice day, nice green day. I'll take it, and I'm going home. I'm just. It's one of those days where you just gotta take what you could get, and go, because I called this early, but I wasn't ready to take it. But this was beautiful. Look at how beautiful this was here. super
No, that was
cheap.
beautiful. Yeah, exactly. Super cheap box, right off a
And
level, double bottom, like whatever you want to call
yeah,
it.
yeah. And then it fired. If you would have had TP1 in it, it's one of those trades where I'm missing because it never gets back close to your entry point. You know, that's how you know you got a real good one. Or in this case, it's really cheap, right? So its price didn't stall anywhere. Because if you look at it, as soon as it got to the cheap box, the gray one, you see how it kind of bounced back and forth? It wasn't like that in the beginning. I like trades like this. And this was a complete and awesome setup. You know what? For this, I'm going to go to... for this week, for today's... where the hell's my thing? Let's go to the indicator spotlight. All right, so for today's indicator spotlight, I'm going to talk about the pinpoint trigger system for today. Every day, we try to do a indicator spotlight to show you TWA indicators. This is the trigger pinpoint trigger system. See how it went from red, indecision yellow, and then blue? This is ideal to get into a long. You also had other options here. I'll go over that another day. But you had this one here, clicked over, and as you can see, it just so happens context matched, timing matched, and the market took it. And that is your indicator spotlight of the day. Okay, let's go look at some of these questions because I am done trading for the day. I'm going to enjoy my morning. And then let's just recap what we're seeing so far. God, it was so beautiful. So many things lined up. That was the long. Congratulations for all of those who even got a piece of the long. Wherever you entered, congratulations. That was definitely the direction of the morning. Right now you see let's move this down. This is a directional chart. You can see how the TPO at the bottom is turning green. You can see how now the candles are finally turning green, so they're agreeing with you. This thing could probably chop up for the rest of the day. Oh, yes, I will. All right, so I just got a request to show more of the trigger system on other days, so I'm going to go back to indicator spotlight and show it to you. All right, so let's go back to this chart here. So this is today's. Let's go to let's go to earlier. Yeah, there you go. Here's another example of it. Let me just take this off first. So, okay. Let's see where's it good for the shorts. I showed you a long side. I'm going to show you a short. That is a good entry. Let's go where context matches. Here. Here you go. This is a good one. So you see here, context is not perfect, but you can see the trigger system, right? It went from yellow to purple, right? That means bullish weakness. That's a good opportunity to enter short. You can see the timings here. you get your TP1, and then if you would have stayed in, you would have gotten points here. Let's see if there's a better one. Actually, no, not for that move down. Let's see another day. Let me just put another time frame up. Hold on. I would not use this on. I would only use this maybe on the 1 minute and lower. I just want to find a different day. Let's see if we can see anything on a Monday. It's Thursday. Here we go. Let's see what happened here. Perfect. This is a great example of a short here, right? This was actually yesterday, right? We had this huge run up. This is actually a perfect one to do this with, right? So you see here, you could have caught the beginning of the run up. You had to be careful with the spike because this is when the news came out. But it clicked over. You would have gotten in long. Let's say the spike took you out. Right there's your next opportunity to go in. And then you could have caught this entire move up, depending on how you trail your trail your stops. And this was on the way down. You see how it went from green to purple. That means bullish weakness. There, you even had a sell signal here, which is this arrow. Timing was here. 1, 2. Go in, get your TP1, and this could have been, I mean, if you left your stop here, you could have had that entire move. So this is a good example of a short, green to purple. And then for a long, we'll go the other way. Red to blue. And then if context is matching, you can adjust your contract sizing and everything accordingly. Okay, so that's the pinpoint trigger system in all its glory. I can also, we're gonna have this on every day. It's gonna be on every single chart we have. So you're gonna see real time, and we can let me just fix that. We can recap on real time too. So you can see what's happening on that day. But it's a very, very, very powerful indicator. If you want access to any of these indicators, if you don't have it already, you got to click on the link in the bio. You got to sign up for the newsletter. When you do, you get access to daily levels. You get access to tips, strategies, and also you qualify for a promo code for a certain percentage off your first month of indicator access. So if you want the promo, if you want any promos, you have to sign up for the newsletter. If you don't want promos, there's no problem. You can still message us. You can get the link to the website. You can sign up. But if you do want a promo and you want access to these on the deal, sign up for the newsletter. Link is in the bio. You can check it out. You can always come to Discord free, see how other traders are using it, and then work it from there. And when you sign up, just say, hey, I saw Cloud use this, I saw DC use this, I saw Mo use this. Let us know, ask us questions, and we'll help you out the best way we can. Okay.
Do you ask me a question, Mo?
No, I'm just saying if people want to ask you questions, they can look you up on Discord.
Oh yeah, because I'm actually about to go get ready and leave the house. But if anybody took that trade off 35 again, you are up nicely, And if you have any questions about my setups or my entries, hit me up on Discord, and I would definitely share my trade entries, why I took it, what indicators I was looking at, what the indicators were telling me for me to even take the trade, and why I was able to stay in a trade and get 300 points on this little micro that's still running.
And don't forget tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is Discord Fridays, right? So we will have a live Discord chat and live trading at the same time, so you could talk to us in real time.
Tomorrow is quad winching. Please be careful. Please be careful. To a point where it's like I may take my first official Friday off tomorrow. We'll see. But if I do trade, I'm not trading anything more than 5 micros, honestly. But then again, I might just wait till Monday. We'll see. But I'll be right back, you guys.
Actually, we're gonna log off now because we got business to do. So, good trading today. All right. Remember, always trade your chart. Congratulations for those who took the longs. Longs was the direction today. I got my points, so I'm happy. I'm out for the day, and I'm probably not even trading tomorrow. To be honest, I'll just hit it up next week. DC, anything in closing?
Yeah, in the sense that I hope everybody heard that Cloud is willing to share his knowledge and expertise for free, but I have to join his university in order to get the love. So, okay, fine. Not pointing any fingers. You all heard it here. He cannot take it back. So
Yeah,
just
it's
saying.
on the tape. It's on the tape.
Yeah. It's on the internet forever.
Exactly. All right, everybody. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much for joining us. Remember, we're here every Monday through Thursday at 9:20. Fridays, live chat on the Discord. Take care, everybody, and see you next week. Bye.